In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off online booking on Fresha, providing a full 2025 tutorial. This useful guide is perfect for business owners who are seeking a more refined control over their booking systems, allowing you to manage your appointments the way you want. Whether you're looking to disable online booking for your entire business, a specific location, or even individual staff members and services, we've got you covered step by step. To get started, you need to log into your Fresha Partner account. You can access the portal either through the Fresha Partner app available on iOS and Android, or by visiting the Fresha Partner website. Go ahead and sign in with your business credentials. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your business bookings. So log in and let's dive into those settings. Once you've successfully accessed your account, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the menu. Here you'll find an option called Settings. Click on that and then choose Online Bookings from the drop-down menu. Within this section, you'll see a toggle labeled Enable Online Bookings. To deactivate online bookings entirely, simply switch this toggle off. This action will hide your entire booking page from clients, ensuring no further online reservations can be made. If you're handling multiple branches and only wish to disable online booking for one specific location, Fresha makes this possible with ease. Head back to Settings and this time select Locations. Choose the location where you want to stop online bookings. Once you've selected the appropriate branch, look for the online booking toggle for that location and switch it off. This ensures that booking restrictions apply only to that particular branch, while other locations remain open to digital reservations. For businesses seeking to manage individual staff members' availability for online bookings, head over to Settings and select Staff by Team Members. List of your team members will appear, so pick the one you intend to adjust. Under the Online Booking section, switch the Availability toggle off. Clients will then be unable to book appointments with that staff member online, providing you with more granular control over each team member's bookings. Lastly, if your goal is to disable online booking for specific services, Fresha's platform allows you to customize this easily. Navigate to Settings once again and choose Services. Select the particular service you want to limit. Maybe it's a new offering or something you're phasing out. You'll see an option to turn off online booking for each service. With this switch to off, clients won't be able to book that service online, although you still have the option to add it manually to your calendar for those personal touch arrangements. That's it for this comprehensive guide on managing online bookings through Fresha. We hope this tutorial makes the process clear and simple for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.